Hello, my name is Layla Gray, and this is my final project demonstration for the GUI development. This project is called Measurement Converter, and it allows users to convert between inches and meters using a clean graphical interface. And I built this within Python with Thinker. So here I'm going to um, demonstrate the request that the professor put in the assignment. So the first one, I'm sorry. There we go. So first I'm going to run the program. And here's my program, including the notes and the introduction. Oh, yeah, save. All right, and here goes my project. So first, it says to press the convert button without entering anything. And here I have it to where it displays please enter a value. So that's where I use the true statement if true, the if statement. If there is no value, I prompted it to place this message. Next I will enter ABC. And here's going to show the numeric. It has to be a numeric number. Yeah, so I had an input must be numeric. And then next I will do -12, and we were prompted to not do negative numbers, so I have the code to decline this as well and not consider this a numeric number because it's negative. All right, and then I'm going to do 14 and do inches to meters and press convert. And I have it pop up here in blue. I'm going to save results and it will pop up over here in our list, and then I'll press clear results. Then I will do 15 inches to meters again, and then I will save. Then I will do 3 and do meters to inches, convert 118.11. And then I'm going to save results as well. And then here, I will do 0.91, meters to inches again, press convert, and it changes. Even if I don't clear, it still changes. I'm going to save results. And then here I will press save file. So what this is going to do, it's going to input everything into my measures text edit file. So it's importing the data and the user input that is put into my GUI into that text file. So I will save that for records, and also what was requested is to label and announce when there has been record saved to the file as well. So then I will. Well, first I'm going to show the measure because it should clear file once I clear. So I'm going to come here. That's my README. We're going to open. This is saved. Make sure, I'm sorry. I want to make sure this is saved. And I'm going to close that out. Here we're going to open. Hold on. Let me make sure that it went there. There we go. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry. What's going on? There we go. So Sorry about that. Here we have everything that was just saved. There's everything that the user input, and that we save the results to this list under the image. It will save to um, the measure.txt file. So let's clear list and see what happens. And it saves. So once you save a file, you have to um, either delete it from within your files. So that just keeps security. Make sure everything is saved correctly. All right. And so I'm going to go over the important parts of my code. So I had some complications of how to convert certain things. Even though we've done it within the semester, I kind of struggled. So I had to do I had to do some research. Um, and so most of these functions under the measurement converter, um, and also the convert self. I use the self method statement, and these two functions do the math for the whole project with the inches to meters, and it multiplies the input by this 0.254, and in meters to inches by dividing it by 3. So whether they press inches to meters, it will multiply this, and if they press meters to inches, it will divide it by 3. And that is where those if statements come in, and the try statement as well. And this is under my convert method, and this will block any conversion entry to a float. Basically, what that means is just if it's a negative number, if it's not a float, if it's not a regular numeric number, it will not take it. It will show the message of this is not a numeric number. All right, and I have shown you how the app works. And I hope you enjoyed my project. Thank you for listening, and you have a great day. Thank you.